everyone. In this video I am going to share about how to install Joomla 5 in localhost. So first of all, to use Joomla we need to install XAMPP server on our machine. This XAMPP server, XAMPP control panel, and we have to start Apache and MySQL. So first of all, you need to install XAMPP server on your machine and start Apache and MySQL. After that, we will install the Joomla 5. You can download the Joomla 5 file from this link, from this website mindphp.com. Here they provide Joomla every version, that version you want to download. As you go to this link, as you scroll down here, you can see many download options. I will download this is the Joomla 5.0.1. I will click on this download link. Now I reach this page. As I scroll down here, you can see the download button again. We have to click on this, and after some time it will start downloading our Joomla 5. It will start automatically. Here it start downloading, but in my case I have already downloaded. So after completed download, I will copy this zip file and I will go to local disk C, and I have to go to XAMPP. So in the earlier I said to download the XAMPP server, so it is needed to run Joomla. If we don't have XAMPP server, we can run on this. So on the XAMPP folder, I have to go to htdocs, and here I will create a new folder. For example, Joomla 5 testing. You can give any name you want. I will give this, and in this folder I will paste that zip file and I will extract it here. Now it has finished extracting. Now we have to go to the browser again and work on Joomla. So we have to go to localhost phpMyAdmin to create database. So first of all, if we don't want to go here, we can write this localhost / Joomla 5 testing. I will type this because this localhost mean to this htdocs folder. Localhost mean local disk d XAMPP htdocs to this. That means we are going to htdocs folder, localhost d, localhost c, XAMPP, and under XAMPP we are going to htdocs, and under htdocs we are working on Joomla 5 testing. So if I type localhost / Joomla 5 testing, it will go to this folder. So if I click on enter, we can see in this page. So here we have to fill the form. It is asking for setup site name. If you have your site name, you can enter. For now I am just write my Joomla 5 site. I will click on setup login data. Now we reach the next form. Enter the real name of your super user. I will give this 186. Set the username of your super user account. For example, you can give any name you want. I will enter the password. We have to enter the right password, the strong password. So you can see the green line here, and we have to fill the email. I will fill my email and I will click on setup database connection. Now we reach the database configuration page. Here we need a database, so it is selected MySQL line, localhost, and asking for database username, database password, and database name. So we have to create database first in PHP my admin, localhost PHP my admin. I will create Joomla 5 and will give the same name as the project, Joomla 5 testing. I will click on create. Now our database is created. So let's go to the previous page and now enter the database username. In my case, is the database username is root. I didn't given any password in my database, so I will leave blank for this, and the database name is Joomla 5 testing, the database that we created previously. And it is saying that enter a table prefix or use randomly generated one. Is saying if we install this, the database table names will start with this text. If we don't like, we can change this, otherwise it will have this name in every table name, prefix in every table name. So I will click on install Joomla. Now it is installing. So now congratulations, your Joomla site is ready. Now we have successfully installed Joomla 5. Now we can go to open site. Now you can see the message, installation folder could not be deleted, please manually delete the we have installed Joomla 5, so the install folder we have to delete. So let's go to this Joomla 5 testing folder, and here you can see the installation folder. I will delete this folder, and let's go back to the previous page, and I will click on open site. Now the site is opening. This is home page. We are reaching. If we want to go to the administrator page, we can type on this administrator. Now we reach to the administrator page. Here we have to type the username and password that we created when we install Joomla 5. If we type this username and password, we can go to the admin page, that means administrator page. So I will type on username and password. I will click on admin. I will give my password. I will click on login. Now we can read documentation here. It's explaining everything in the page. Please read this carefully to understand how Joomla works and what to do. Now we are on the administrator index page. We have successfully installed Joomla 5. Now we can create our custom menus, custom content and custom pages with Joomla 5. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. In this video I share about how to install Joomla 5. So thank you very much for your attention.